22 SD. Beautiful truck, fresh arrival. Local long-time customer just traded it in for a new Western Star. Warranty just expired, but it's been serviced. They do their services in-house, this customer, but we did all the warranty repairs, and anything beyond oil changes was done by us. Powered by a Detroit DD13, set to 470 horse, 1650 torque. Dual vertical stacks. 3-stage Jake, of course. Mated to an easy to operate 10-speed manual Eaton Fuller. Geared right at 342 and full lockers, equipped with full lockers. In combination with the 22.5-inch Alcoas, wrapped in low pro rubber. The truck will not only get itself going, it'll do a top speed, whatever you want to set it to, 75 miles per hour easily in this thing, without stressing the engine too much. So this previous owner, along with a long-time 40-year salesman, Don, here at Truck Center Companies, worked to perfect this spec over the years, for both for the customer's application and for a second life application. It's very versatile. Slightly longer than average wheelbase, 210 inches. Ride nicely, but it'll still bridge nicely as well and maintain some maneuverability. Some of the cool features on the outside of this one are the Hurd bumper, chrome intakes with the little accent lights that are sharp, the cab trim with the chicken lights, diamond plate bright work on the after treatment cover, locking battery box over here, 23-gallon def tank with the diamond plate cover. We got 100 gallons of fuel on this side, 70 on the other side. Stainless bands, stainless quarter fenders. Does have the adjustable roof fairing. We can adjust that for you, or we can remove it for you. And it's got a nice visor there. Very, very nice. Climb inside this. Again, we'll shut the lights off. First thing people usually notice in these Coronados is how spacious they are. People like that. Door opens wide, plenty of room. And not too much to go over in here, but power windows, power mirrors, air ride driver's seat, cloth, obviously lumbar adjustments. Passenger seat is stationary, but it matches nicely. The dash, if you don't know, coming from the old Columbias or the Century class or even the Classic, those dashes would kind of dry out and crack. Now they've got a nice molded vinyl that does not crack. AC and heat work awesome. Newer stereo, AM, FM, XM, weather band, CD, USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth. Everything works solid. CB up top, and they had a PTO on this truck, so this switch here, you can program it to click it up once, click it up twice for your different PTO, your remote engine RPM control. Basically, you can have some set points, hook your PTO up, you got your PTO on switch, then you click this once for say 900 RPM, twice for 1200 RPM, whatever you want to do there. Overall, it's an extremely clean truck inside and out. We had it detailed, polished by Jeff down at Diamond Polish in North Mankato. He does an excellent job. As you can see, stuff looks nice. The whole truck looks very nice, and it is ready to rock and roll. So come down and check this one out too if you like your Coronados. This is it right here. Beautiful truck.